Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glampel Camper. We are chilling at home and we're about to organize the kitchen. So we are officially done organizing, at least for today. So I did just want to show you guys what we did. So in this basket, we have all of our dried pastas, and then I have a couple of these pasta kits. My pasta used to take up like 3 entire big sections of my cupboard over there, and I would just rather have it in that. That way all the pasta can be together, and then I have that room for other stuff. Up on top of the fridge, we have all of our snacks and crunchy chips and stuff. The idea eventually is that the flamingo will be open containers and this will be all closed stuff. But right now we have too many open things, so not all of them would fit in the flamingo. This is literally the favorite piece of organization we have in the kitchen now. I just think that is so cute. Really easy to grab, take down off the fridge. The stuff that I previously had on top of my cupboards, I've rearranged right there. Then behind these 2 baskets, those are actually Williams-Sonoma platters that used to be where that basket is. So this was really just about rearranging some of my stuff to make it work better for our lifestyle. In these, I have chili ramen and I have chicken ramen. I do really like ramen. Right here we have all of Mr. Cameraman's protein. So all of his protein granola bars. He has 2 different kinds of protein powder. So that is all in one spot up there. So after his bike ride, he can just get it down. We're both tall people, so we can both reach all of these baskets. Then up here is, I don't know, I kind of think it's the piece de la resistance. I love this lamp. And the bulb for it is getting here today. I bought it on Amazon. HomeGoods actually didn't have a bulb for it. So I am super crazy excited to see that lit up there. I just think that's gonna look so pretty next to that cute little flamingo print. Then over here we have some pop in one of those baskets, and then we have all of our nuts in the other basket. And then those are the Vitamix tumblers. They literally don't fit in like tall wise into any of my cupboards. So they have to be up there for all of eternity. Then down here, I had all of these containers already. I just rearranged them, added some delicious nuts trail mix kind of party mix thing to that one. Then we did already have these candies, but I just wanted to put them in a container. And then I got these absolutely crazy, amazing, life-changing gummy sour jelly beans. And I put them in there. I did organize the top shelf of this one a little bit, just because that is where all of my freeze-dried food is. That's literally the only thing that got organized about this cupboard. Down here, I know it really probably doesn't look organized, but Zena's treats, Zena's food. This is all of her treats mixed together so that we don't keep buying her more until this goes down. So in there, she's got chicken hearts, she's got peanut butter buddies, she's got, oh my gosh, I think that they're Kong Philly cheese training treat things. She's got like 4 different kinds of Blue Buffalo treats. Then I put all of the open alcohol right there. I really don't like how that looks, but I am not quite sure where else to put it. And then the last thing is kind of Mr. Cameraman's area. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.